Hello, my name is Miss Lewis. I'm excited to be working with you this week about learning English. Today, we're going to do Packet for week number 4, working on day number 4. Let's get started. So, all this week, we have been talking about vocabulary in our houses with different rooms. Today, we're going to talk about cleaning the house. We're going to start with looking at the letters EA when they make the E sound. We're also going to read a book called Spring Cleaning and then do some activities where we write and we find vocabulary about cleaning our house. So to start, we're going to be looking, like I said, at the letters EA. When I touch my nose, I see the name of the letter. The sound they make is E. Please repeat after me. E-A, E. Let's look at some words that have that pattern. This word is clean. The letters are C-L-E-A-N, but my sounds are K-L-E-N. Clean. Please repeat after me. Clean. Good. Let's look at another word that has the E-A. These are beans. Please repeat after me. Beans. Good. Look at this word. There's my E-A-E. So my word is lean. Lean. Another word with E-A is the word mean. Please repeat after me. Mean. Great job. Now, let's read some sentences and find the picture. They clean. Point or circle the picture that shows they clean. Yes. He has beans. Which picture shows this? Yes. I want you to read number 3. It leans. Point to the picture that shows it leans. Yes. Number 4, it's your turn to read it. He is mean. Which picture? Yes. Great job. Now, we're going to be focused on spring cleaning vocabulary. Look here. Which word has the letters E-A? Yes, cleaning. Look at the picture. Repeat after me. Clean. Excellent. Please write the word clean on your paper. If you don't have your paper, you can say the letters C-L-E-A-N. Now we're going to look at different vocabulary for the house where we can clean. Look at the picture. This is a porch. Repeat after me. Porch. Excellent. Please write porch on your paper or say the letters out loud. Great. Let's do the next word. Look at the picture. This is down below the house. This is a basement. Repeat after me. Basement. Great job. Write basement on your paper or spell the word with the letters. Here's our last vocabulary word before we read our book. Do you see the door? It is open. Open door. Please repeat after me. Open door. Great job. Now write the words open door, or if you don't have your paper, spell them out loud using the letters. Great job. Now we can get started with our book. This is called Spring Cleaning. What we want to think is what does the family clean in the spring? We're going to look for what do they clean and words that have the EA sound, the EA letter, to make my E sound, like the word clean. And we saw the words basement, clean, kitchen, living room, porch, spring. It was spring. It was time to clean the house. Clean. Mom cleaned the kitchen. Do you see her cleaning? Dad cleaned the living room. Sasha cleaned the bedrooms. Mom cleaned the bathroom. Dad cleaned the basement. Sasha cleaned the porch. Sasha left the front door open. Now they have to clean everything again. Great job. You can hit pause and go back and re-listen to the story or read it again by yourself. You did a really nice job on that. So now we're going to connect some of our vocabulary from all this week with the book that we read. It says, write sentences to describe the pictures. So in all of these, it's going to be about what people clean. And I want to look in the pictures to think, what are they cleaning? In this picture, I see lots of people. So I'm going to say, they clean. What are they cleaning? The house. They clean the house. Now let's look in this picture. What do you see? I see one boy, so I can say he cleans. What room is he cleaning? Is that the kitchen or the basement? Yes, the kitchen. He cleans the kitchen. Please repeat after me or write kitchen on your paper. Now this is your turn. Look at the picture. Who do you see? I see lots of people, so I can say they clean. Where are they cleaning? Yes, the living room. Please write, they clean the living room. Like this. They clean the living room. Great job. If you don't have your paper, just repeat this out loud. Let's do our next one. Who do you see in this picture? I see two people. So I'll say, they clean. Where are they cleaning? I can go back to my words. Yes, this is the porch outside the house. They clean the porch. Please write that on your paper or say it out loud, like this. They clean the porch. Good. Now let's do our last picture. Who do you see? I see one girl. I will say she cleans. Where is she cleaning? Yes, the basement. So I can write, she cleans the basement, like this. She cleans the basement. Please write that on your paper or say it out loud. Great job. We have one more page left. Here is day 4, cleaning the house. We're going to talk about the pictures. Just like you did before, we can look at this picture and see all of the different people, who is cleaning, and where are they cleaning. Remember, if you see one boy, you can say he cleans. If you see one girl, you can say she cleans. If you see 2 or more people, you can say they clean. I'll do the first one up here, and I want you to talk about the second and the third floor. So, he cleans the window, or he is cleaning the window. They are cleaning the living room. She is cleaning the clothes. Now I want you to look at these pictures and talk about who is cleaning and what are they cleaning. You can look around your house too and talk about the people who you live with. Great job today. I'll see you later. Bye.